Hey everyone, it's Ken here from Northern Viking Everyday. Today I've got a quick Gmail tutorial for you. I'm going to be showing you how to set your default font here in Gmail. This is a permanent setting, so all the emails you send will have that font going forward, as well as you can adjust the size and color. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. Now, if you head up to the very top right-hand corner, you'll see the little gear or sprocket. If you hover over that, it says settings. So we'll go ahead and left click on it. And this will bring up our quick settings, and we're looking for the see all settings option here at the top. You can go ahead and open that up. Now, once your main settings open up, you'll see a whole bunch of tabs here at the top. Make sure the generals tab is selected. It's likely on by default. And if you come down here, you're going to see an option that says default text style right here. So beside that, you'll see the font. So here you can select the font. So if you left click on that, it'll give you a whole bunch that you can choose from. So maybe you want Comic Sans or you want Georgia. You can go ahead and select whichever one you like. I'm going to go with Verdana. And then right here, you'll see this option. It's for size. So if you click on that, it'll give you different options for size. So if you want a little bit larger, you can do that. Right here is the option for text color. So you can choose from all sorts of different colors. Maybe you just want a grayer option, or you want to go bright with blue, you can do that. And the nice thing is down below here, it shows you what that text is going to look like. Now, if you do want to reset it to default, there's a little option right here that says remove formatting. You can click that and it'll go back right to default. So once you've got this the way you like it, and this is easy to miss, you need to scroll down to the bottom. And there's an option here that says save changes. You can go ahead and click on save changes. And this will take you right back out to the main Gmail page. And now when we compose an email, you can see that it comes out with the new font, size, and color. And really it's that simple to change or set your default font here in Gmail. I hope this tutorial helped you out. If it did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care.